Peace and welcome to the Garden of Feodora. Here's what's going on today. While these are still growing, I have noticed that the leaves are, losing their color. It's kind of an overcast day today. But I'm going to select one lucky cupcake squash as an experiment to take outside to my bucket garden. I choose you! I'm going to put it in this bag of potting mix that I made. Click right there if you want to see how I made this mix. But yeah, let's get her down. Get the bag tap. That's pretty much it. I'm going to pinch this flower off right here because this is probably just going to drain energy from the plant. What I do expect, let me bury this down here. What I do expect is for these leaves to continue to turn yellow, but as you see there at the top, it's nice and green and it looks like something wants to happen there. And of course, right there, there's new life. Let's get some of these worm castings here and get that right on the top there. And any big pieces like that, just break it down, massage that right into the dirt. Now we're going to go ahead and give this lady some water. And I propped her right in between those two buckets there. Rainwater. I'm going to saturate this down really, really good. Now we're going to mulch it down. And there we go, cupcake squash. I've also been looking heavily into companion planting. So if you can tell me what goes good with acorn squash or maybe just squash in general, I'd appreciate it. Comment below. I'd appreciate it. Tell me your secrets, tips, ideas, anything. But I'm also going to research myself, and what I find, I'll share with you. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.